today we have the ROG Zephyrus G14 Alan Walker Special Edition laptop here with us. One more special edition baby added to XTMM collection mode. So without further ado, let us see what we have inside the box. Opening up the box, you'll get yourself a charger and a USB-C to USB-C cable, a baseball cap, a pair of socks, and a laptop sleeve. And finally, this! Wah, apa ini? First time see this kind of packaging for laptop, right? Wah, fascinating, right? This is not just a laptop box, but it's also a remix sampler. We will talk about this later, okay? This Alan Walker Edition laptop is actually very similar to the standard model, but in terms of design, you can see a lot of Alan Walker branding all over. It packs the AMD Ryzen R9 5900HS processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti graphics card, 16GB of RAM, and 1TB of M.2 SSD. And now, let's talk about the overall design. First, there's a reflective belt which features ROG X Alan Walker text as well as slogans like Join the Republic and Join the Walkers. Why don't have Join the Salty? At the corner, there's a nameplate with the ROG and Alan Walker logo carved on it. You can see Alan Walker's signature as well. And on the bottom, you'll see the ROG X Alan Walker branding again. As for connectivity, it has the exact same amount of ports as the regular variant. On the left, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, an HDMI 2.0B port, and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port that supports DisplayPort 1.4 and power delivery. On the right, we have two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports and another USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port as well as a Kensington lock. When you turn on the laptop, you will be welcomed by Alan Walker's custom animations and boot-up sound effects on this 14-inch IPS level display. It has a QHD resolution and a 120Hz of refresh rate. So, if you are a gamer, this is good news for you! It also supports 100% of DCI-P3 color game mode and 300 nits of brightness, which is great for content creators out there. If you notice the cool animation on the lid, ROG has added 4 new animations for the Anime Matrix display in an exclusive LED color called Spectra Blue. If you are a hardcore fan, you'll know that the name comes from his song The Spectra, and blue is his favorite color. You can also customize the display text in Armoury Crate and show off like this. Not bad, right? So now let us move on to the keyboard. It features bright blue color on the Escape, Enter, and Shift keycaps as well as shades of bright and dark grey on certain keycaps that are all personally chosen by Alan Walker himself. What caught my eyes the most is the Alan Walker logo on the A and W keycaps. Even the spacebar has Alan Walker's name printed on it. The whole laptop screams Alan Walker theme, right? And that's not all yet. If you look carefully at the touchpad, you will see that it features edge lining that is very futuristic. As for the audio, it has two 2.5-watt subwoofers and two 0.7-watt tweeters using the Dolby Atmos software. It also has built-in two-way active noise cancellation technology. Now, onto the coolest thing about the Alan Walker Edition laptop. This is called the ROG Remix Sampler. The box that stores the laptop is actually made of acrylic with conductive ink applied on the surface. On the top panel, you'll see a number of touchpads that let you play or pause, speed up or down the songs, switch between sampler effects, and apply a low-pass filter. Now, how to make this thing work leh? Hiya! Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just plug in the USB-C to USB-C cable and connect it with the laptop. And once you're connected, a preloaded ROG Remix software will launch automatically. You can choose to either use the default song or a locally saved song, and you're good to explore and have fun with the 18 different effects on the Remix Sampler. If you think this box is still not cool enough, it's also compatible with Aura Sync where you can customize the lighting in the box LED trim and the laptop lid to the music. Very easy, right? Ayo, the effects really damn cool, yeah. If only I'm talented, lor. But anyway, what do you guys think of the ROG Zephyrus G14 Alan Walker Special Edition laptop? I absolutely appreciate that ROG always comes up with so much cool stuff to pamper ROG fans. But anyway, would you buy this special edition laptop? Let us know in the comment section below. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to go back to my secret training to become a DJ lah, huh? This is Christina from Salty News Network, and I'll see you guys again soon. Oh. I'm just not talented, okay?